Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is the 3 businesses you can start for under $100. So if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell, so that way you'll get notified every single time I put a video out. So with that being said, let's get started and the 3 businesses you can start for under $100. So the very first business that you can start for under $100 is a Shopify store. So if you've heard of Shopify, it's a place where you can have your website and you can sell some items on there. Now Shopify is very known for drop shipping, and it's not the only way that you have to do this. You can sell your own items as well, but I'm going to talk about drop shipping because drop shipping is very efficient. If you're just new to business, if you have under $100, this is probably the best way because you don't have to own any of the products that you are selling. So what you do is you go to a place called AliExpress, so aliexpress.com, and you can sell anything that's on there. So there's a plugin on there, and if you want to know more about this, like I have a ton of videos about this in the early stages of my video, so if you go to the very early videos, this is what it's about. So what you do is you find an item that you want to sell and you just put it on your store. And when people buy it, you just have to order it for them and it gets sent right to their place. And you don't have to do it it's not very hard labor. All you have to do is just click on a button and it gets ordered. So there are a few plugins that you have to pay for. You also have to pay for the Shopify store itself. And there are a few ins and outs of it, but in the basics, that's what it is. And you can make quite a lot of money. There are people making quite a bit, $20,000 stores. Even I've heard the other day that this guy was making $3 million a year or something like that on his Shopify store, and he's just selling from AliExpress. So, and all you have to do is just mark the product up. So if they're selling it for $3 and you reckon that you can sell it for 10, then you do that. But you have to cover all your ad expenses with that. You also have to cover shipping, so you have to keep that in mind. Now, if you really want to do this, I suggest the best way to get started with that is to pay influencers. You can get influencers for quite cheap. I've done this before and I've made some money from that. So Shopify is a great place where you can actually make some money if you do drop shipping. If you do your own products, you can do that as well, but this is the one I wanted to talk about because it's under $100, and if you have your own products, there's a good chance that it will cost you more than that. So Shopify dropshipping is the first one I want to talk about. The second one is blogging. I made a video recently about that. I'm not sure if it's like, if you're watching this, it's probably came out like 3 days ago or 4 days ago or something like that. I can't quite remember when I did this, but blogging is a very efficient way to do it. So what you do is you create a WordPress site, so that doesn't cost you very much. I'll put a link to like Bluehost. I'll also put the Shopify link if you're interested in that. What you do is you just create a blog, a WordPress blog. This is very important because if you don't do it on WordPress, it will be very, very hard to make it look proper, and people will just not go to your website and you will not make any money. So blogging, you talk about something that you're really interested in. I've heard about people talking about traveling and they made a bunch of money, tech gear, like there's all sorts of different things that you can do. Cooking as well is a big one. There's people making so much money out of that. So just find a product that you like or something that you like, a subject, a niche that you actually enjoy, and you post about it and say what you think. Just post your ideas, just talk about your day. If it was traveling, talk about your experiences with it. It was a good one. a bad one. It doesn't matter. Just put your experiences down, write them down like every single day, post an article. You want to post some photos as well, because that will help you, like people don't want to read something that's really long. And what you do is after that you can post some ads on there. So if you use AdMob, for example, which is Google's ad platform, so you can make some money off that. Or you can sell some courses if you're teaching people. Like if you're traveling, like there's a good chance that you can teach people how to travel for cheap, how to find the best places. Like there's so many different things that you can teach people on. Or you can sell affiliate products. So that's like, there's a ton of products that you can sell out there. It really depends on your niche, but affiliate is one of the best ways to do it, because you don't have to deal with customer support, unlike Shopify. You don't have to deal with like complaints, you don't have to fulfill orders. There's nothing of that sort that you have to do, because all is done by that company from which you got your affiliate link. So all you have to do is just drive traffic out there, and if you have a blog that gets some visitors, it's the easiest way to do it. Now the third one is what I'm doing right now. What a lot of people are doing on YouTube is making a YouTube channel. So YouTube channel is very good because you get to know who I am, you get to know what I look like, how I talk, everything like that, and you kind of feel like you know me. And if you don't, that's okay, no problems with that. But that's what I feel like when I watch people on YouTube that I watched several times. So if you're new here, you probably don't feel like you know me, but welcome to this channel. So you want to talk about a subject. It's just like blogging, except it's on video. So you want to talk about a subject that you enjoy, that you can teach. If you can teach something, it's probably the best way to do it. And you can like sell some stuff on there. So whether it's your own courses, whether it's an ebook, which you can do on the blog as well, but which I didn't mention. You can sell all sorts of different things. Some people even sell merch and make a killing out of it. If you look at Logan Paul, for example, he's got a YouTube channel. He's not teaching anything, but he's making millions and millions of dollars just by selling his merch, because he's very clever about marketing. So if you want to sell merch, that's totally up to you. You can sell that, you can sell courses. There's a ton of affiliate links that you can put in there. And if you grow to over 1,000 subscribers, then you will start to get monetized and YouTube will push your videos. So even if you're under 1,000 subscribers, which I still am at the time of filming this video, and if you're watching this later, you'll probably have crossed 1,000 subscribers, because I'm intending to go well over that. But if you have under 1,000 subscribers, you can still make some money, because posting affiliate links is very easy. You can also like create an email list, which I won't go into detail, but this is the best way to do it. Like if you have a blog or a YouTube channel, this is the best way to do it. Having an email list is the best thing that you can have in any business. So basically what this is where you have people's emails, so you can send them offer after offer. Because if you just have an affiliate link in your blog or in your YouTube video, they click on it or they don't click on it, but then you never hear about them again, whether they bought something or not. So you won't be able to monetize someone a second time. With an email list, you can absolutely do that, and do that several times. So I won't go into detail, as I said, because like I've done a ton of videos about this. So make sure you watch my other videos. If you got any value from this video, make sure that you do hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, because I always enjoy that. Also, smash that like button, leave me a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.